Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you came up with the answer A, give yourself a pat on the back. Well done. If you want to see my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. Now, the diagram shows a uniform door hanging from two hinges 2.5 meters apart. The moment of the couple that the hinges exerts on the door is. So we need to find the couple produced by the hinges. Might be worth remembering what a couple is. A couple is a pair of forces that are equal in magnitude opposite in direction and parallel to each other. So let's have a look at these hinges. Let's have a look at the forces these hinges produce on the door. Well, this hinge is pulling the door to the left horizontally, and this hinge is pushing the door to the right horizontally. So we've got two forces that are parallel to each other and acting in opposite directions. So we can see that both these hinges are trying to turn the door in a anti-clockwise direction if we look at the center of the door there. Now the door isn't moving, so there must be a force that's trying to turn it in a clockwise direction, and that force is produced, or that moment I should say, is produced by the 200 Newton force, which is the weight of the door. So that force there is trying to turn the door clockwise. So I could find the moment that force produces. It's 200 newtons multiplied by the horizontal distance, which is going to be half the width of the door, 0.75 meters. So the clockwise moment produced by the weight of the door is 150 Newton meters. The couple produced by the hinges must be equal and opposite. So the hinges must be producing a turning moment also of 150 Newton meters, but in an anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, answer A. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and leave a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more in the series. Thank you.